Are you always on the lookout for the latest and greatest gadgets? Do you love staying up to date with the newest technology inventions? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to explore some of the coolest and most innovative gadgets that have hit the market recently. From smart road innovations to cutting-edge wearables, these inventions are sure to impress even the most tech-savvy individuals. So get ready to geek out and discover the latest in the world of gadgets. One, Gluxkind. Have you ever struggled to push a stroller uphill or control it when it's fully loaded with groceries and toys? If so, you're not alone. But now, thanks to Gluxkind, a Canadian baby technology startup, parents can enjoy effortless walks with their children regardless of terrain. Gluxkind's iStroller, named Ella, is designed to optimize daily life rather than just looking good in a showroom. With its adaptive push and brake assistance, parents and caregivers can now easily navigate through any terrain, be it uphill, downhill, or even fully loaded. And for just $200, carrying all those groceries and toys will no longer be a struggle. But that's not all. When the child is not inside the stroller, parents can activate Ella's intelligent hands-free strolling. This advanced parent assist technology empowers parents to be present and focus on their kids without compromising or getting distracted by multitasking. 2. Miroki. Next on our list is this amazing gadget from Miroki. Imagine walking down the corridors of a hospital and seeing a robot pushing a cart alongside you. You do a double take, not sure if what you're seeing is real. But it is. Well, meet Miroki, the first robot from Enchanted Tools that is designed to help humans with simple physical tasks in a professional environment. Don't be fooled by Miroki's cartoonish appearance. This adorable robot may look like a mix between a humanoid and an animal with big rabbit ears and a projected video face, but it's a serious piece of technology designed to make life easier for professionals. At only 123 centimeters and 26 kilos, Miroki can easily maneuver through the halls of a hospital or other professional setting, assisting with tasks like pushing a cart or grabbing a meal tray. The robot is scheduled to be released in 2025 and at a price of €30,000. And with its ability to evolve without difficulty among humans, Miroki is the perfect helper for professionals who need an extra hand. 3. Ultratech Rapid Rise Bund. You know, pills and leaks are an unfortunate reality of many industrial and construction sites, but they don't have to be a disaster. How can it be solved? Well, the Ultratech Rapid Rise Containment Bund is a game-changing solution that provides quick and easy spill containment for a variety of containers, including drums, IBCs, pump trucks, frac tanks, and more. It comes at a price range of $746 up to $7,000, which is dependent on the different dimensions available. What makes this gadget stand out is its unique design. The sidewalls of the Bund remain lowered and out of the way during loading and unloading, minimizing trip hazards and making it easy for vehicles and equipment to access the Bund from any angle. But in the event of a spill, the foam ring around the top perimeter of the berm rises with the level of spilled liquid, providing an effective spill containment solution. Made from heavy-duty PVC material, this innovation is built to withstand the rigors of industrial and construction applications. And when not in use, the folded units require minimal storage space, making it a convenient and practical solution for spill containment. So why wait for a spill to happen? Get the Ultratech Rapid Rise Containment Bund today and protect your site from potential disaster. 4. The Samsung Flex Hybrid OLED. Next up is something for the techie fans out there. Have you ever wished you could have a bigger screen on your device without sacrificing portability? Guess what? Samsung has just unveiled the answer to your prayers: the Flex Hybrid OLED mobile screen. This revolutionary new panel can both fold and slide, allowing you to change its size and aspect ratio according to your needs. Starting off at a compact 4.2 inches, the screen can fold out to a 10.5-inch 4:3 display, perfect for productivity tasks like reading and writing. And if you need even more screen real estate, just slide out the right side to create a massive 12.4-inch display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, ideal for entertainment and content creation. The Flex Hybrid OLED is not just a gimmick, It boasts exceptional image quality thanks to its OLED technology. This means you can enjoy stunning visuals and vibrant colors, whether you're watching a movie or editing photos. The possibilities are endless with the Samsung Flex Hybrid OLED. It's exciting to see technology push the boundaries of what we thought was possible, and I can't wait to see what other innovations Samsung has up their sleeve. 5. Shiftall Mutalk. Have you ever been on a conference call or playing online games and you had to shout because of the ambient noise around you? Or maybe you don't want to disturb your family or neighbors while having a heated conversation online? Well, Shiftall has come up with an innovative solution to these problems, the Mutalk, which is sold for approximately $200. This soundproof Bluetooth microphone fits over your mouth, sealing it from ambient sound while ensuring your voice is heard loud and clear. It's not just for VR either. You can use it for meetings, gaming, or even in a cafe without disturbing those around you. The best part? It's a cost-effective and space-saving solution compared to soundproof boxes. The Mutalk is incredibly easy to use. Just place it on your desk with your mouth facing up to automatically mute the microphone and lift it up to instantly unmute it. You can even use it with your smartphone, thanks to the earphone jack. And with the included band, you can secure it to your face and enjoy hands-free conversation even when your hands are full. 6. Solar panel covered Autobahn. If you've ever driven on the Autobahn and wished that all that tarmac could be put to good use, well, European researchers have come up with a brilliant solution, a solar panel covered Autobahn. This innovative project could generate almost 10% of Germany's electricity demand and help slow down the erosion of the highway's surface. Although there's no certified price tag for it, this is a massive step forward in Germany's energy transition, helping the country to meet its renewable energy targets and reduce its carbon emissions. Who knew that driving on the Autobahn could also be a contribution to saving the planet? 7. City Glider. We've all found ourselves frustrated with traffic congestion, delays on public transportation. What if there was a solution that not only addressed these issues, but also improved your health and well-being? Well, that's where the City Glider comes in. This innovative footwear is designed to encourage people to walk more by making it a comfortable and enjoyable experience. The shock absorption system reduces impact on your feet, ankles, and knees, making it an ideal choice for those who suffer from foot pain. Plus, the City Glider provides a 21% increase in speed compared to walking without it, making it an efficient choice for short distances. Not only is the City Glider a practical solution for transportation, but it also contributes to a sustainable future. By reducing the number of motor vehicles on the road, we can decrease our carbon footprint and promote a healthier environment. With City Glider, every step is a step toward a brighter and more sustainable future. So why not give it a try and take the first step toward a more efficient and sustainable lifestyle? 8. Kokido Keops. As the weather gets cooler, it can be tough to enjoy a swim in your pool. But what if you could extend your swimming season and enjoy warm water even in the fall? Introducing the Kokido Keops, a pool heater that lets you swim on into the cooler months of the year with ease. And guess what? It costs just $159. Amazing, right? With an integrated rack, this pool heater receives maximum sun exposure and heats your pool to a warm, comfortable temperature. Say goodbye to pool heating costs compared to gas or electrical heaters as the Kokido Keops reduces or eliminates them altogether. 9. Elonroad. Are you tired of worrying about running out of battery while driving your electric vehicle? Here comes Elonroad, the deep tech mobility company revolutionizing road-based charging solutions. Elonroad offers a unique solution that allows you to charge your EV while driving on highways, city streets, ports, terminals, and other closed-loop operators. But that's not all. You can also charge your EV while it's parked. And the best part? It works for all electric vehicles. What's more? Elonroad's solution comes with several smart, built-in features, including load balancing and billing operations. Each vehicle can be monitored and invoiced individually, and for stationary charging solutions, charging can be remotely controlled through the app, giving the driver full control of the status of the battery and charging. BMW Vision DEE. Finally, let's talk about the BMW Vision DEE. This car looks like it's straight out of a tech movie. It's a color-changing concept car that was revealed at CES 2023, and let me tell you, it's a real showstopper. One of the coolest features of the Vision DEE is the fact that the entire windshield can act as a screen. Imagine driving down the road and having all sorts of augmented reality images and information pop up right in front of you. That's exactly what this car can do. But it's not just the tech that's impressive. The styling on this car is pretty amazing too. The Vision DEE has a really simplistic design that's meant to draw your attention to all of the digital and virtual elements inside the car. The BMW Vision DEE is likely to cost upwards of £50,000, with core models topping £60,000. The BMW Vision DEE is one seriously impressive gadget, and I can't wait to see what other innovations BMW has up its sleeve in the coming years. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.